Takers and givers, I've been called the latter. But am I really a giver if I don't give to myself? Don't take care of my health, care for everyone else. I usually give away my best, but get into this reset. Get into this reset. Get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter.
Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. Y'all can already tell based on the thumbnail, I am here with another quick, affordable Cocotique unboxing. Cocotique is a self-care and wellness company specifically curated for women of color. They specialize in monthly subscription boxes, and I have actually been a brand ambassador with them since 2019. So I am here to do a quick unboxing video with you guys just to show you, basically to give you an idea of some of the things you can expect if you're still on the fence trying to decide whether or not it is worth the purchase. So again, I am Pandi. This is my YouTube channel, Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Over here, for the most part, I talk about hair, of course, both my natural hair care journey as well as my love for wigs. I unbox products here and I talk about self-care, motivation, and inspiration. So welcome. Thank you so much for taking a few moments out of your day to come over and check me out. If you find this video to be uplifting, encouraging, and something that you could tune into on a regular basis, then please, I encourage you to blow dry on that like button for me and subscribe. It is free 99. It does not cost you anything to do so. Also, if you think you know somebody who might enjoy this video, please, sharing is caring. So please share the video for me. I would greatly appreciate it. You can do that by sharing on your community tab here on YouTube or on your other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you share content. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into this beauty box, okay? So I just want to give y'all the full, raw, and uncut literal unboxing. Okay, get into that. Get into that. Isn't that pretty? So as I was saying, I have started as a monthly customer right at the time when the pandemic was getting ready to start. Obviously, we weren't going out. We didn't want to be out in huge crowded spaces. And I'm a naturalista, so I need to still care for my hair. And I know how vitally important that is as a former licensed cosmetologist. So I thought this would be great because it is specifically curated for women who look like me